Hey guys, so we are at Aulani right now and we wanted to show you guys a room tour. Now we are doing two separate room tours for this stay because we have a regular hotel room and we have the deluxe studio for the DVC. So let's go into the hotel room and show you guys what it looks like.
You got the pizza?
Pizza? This is the room tour.
All right, come on in. Welcome to my crib. Currently, we're standing in the entrance walkway, but if we head over to the left-hand side, we're gonna head into the bathroom. Right over here, we have some beautiful towel artwork. Look at the detailing, I love.
Looks like a flower in a way.
And then right over here, we have a Aulani robe. We all know Disney robes are the best robes. Right behind me, we have the shower. I'll go ahead and draw back the shower curtain. What I love most about this shower is the waterfall. That we do not have in our house.
Yes, it's very nice.
Sure. And it's really nice. We also have like this kind of shower head where you can take it off and use it that way. We did use the towels that were here. So the room does come with towels on this rack, but we've used them. And we have an awesome countertop with some really cool H2O products. So as you can see, these are special to only Aulani. It's an exclusive, and the scent is Hawaiian sea salt. We are going to be keeping the ones that we've used and taking them home. They have a bath soap here. We have a tissue box. We have a hand soap circle. We have this awesome mirror, which is on the wall, but you can actually take it off and come in more. Look at that, it like extends.
Yeah, it's for you and your makeup. Oh, does it go like super mega?
Magnification. We have some more beautifully folded towels. And then this is where
the magic happens.
The magic happens, so to speak. But it's just a room with the toilet and some toilet paper, and then you can close it for some privacy if someone's like taking a shower or getting ready. You have that privacy, which I really like.
Much appreciated for that.
Yes, and we can't forget that this bathroom has a door to close too, so there's more privacy, more sound barriers, if you will. As we walk down the hall, we have a double door, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it open for you guys. Did you guys see that? Let's do it again. Oh. I think this is the coolest touch.
Wow, it's got fancy. A sensor.
And we have another robe, so if there's two of you, one for the bathroom, and then there's another one here for you guys to wear. They also have a safe in here, so you can put your passports, anything really valuable. No. I don't even think an Xbox would fit in here, will it?
We had this discussion before. An Xbox will fit in there, okay?
Okay, I don't remember. We have an emergency light, some hangers, an extra pillow and blanket, which we probably could have used last night because it was really chilly last night.
Were you really cold?
I was really cold.
Oh.
And then this is another set of blankets and pillows, which double blankets and pillows I'm all in for.
Double up, double up,
No? Okay. There's an ironing board, an iron, and then a luggage little fold-out tray thing, right?
Yeah.
That's what, like to hold your luggage.
We do want to point out too, they do have laundry bags available. So if you need them to come do laundry for you, you can use that. There is an extra cost for that, so just keep that in mind.
On this side, we have a full-length mirror, which you can see. Hello. It's a really nice one. I like. And pose, and pose, and pose, and pose, and pose, and pose, and pose.
You done posing?
Yes.
All right.
Next, we have a trash can, which you can see we've used. Next to that, we have like this little like kitchenette table thing with a microwave. Let's so you can see the microwave.
Did we even use this? No, we didn't.
We did not, but it's clean, which I can appreciate. Right here, we have like a little coffee beverage station. So there's cups, some lids, a coffee maker, some Joffrey's coffee, which you guys know is like the best coffee.
It's an Aulani blend too.
It's an Aulani blend. And right here we have some teas and sugars and whatnot. Right over here is the dresser. First we have our ice bucket, which is really nice. It's like a pleather with the lining and the lid.
It's a really big ice bucket too.
And then we have a bunch of really spacious drawers. You can put all of your clothes if you're staying for a long period of time. Or I know sometimes there's people that just like to put their clothes away when they get here. I personally, and Chris personally, always leave it in our luggage.
Yeah.
But there is room. Here we have the refrigerator. We don't have any food in here, but we do have the Lays that we wore last night to dinner. You're supposed to keep them in the refrigerator to keep them more fresh. So that's what we have in here. We can't forget the Disney touch. We have a towel Mickey with a little Hawaiian flower on top. These are the small details that we love. We kept him here all night just to show you guys, but it is really, really cute. We have a welcome to Aulani sign along with the Aulani Resort and Spa information. So there's like phone information, DVC information, private dining menus, which is, I'm assuming that's room service. Lots of information for your disposal. We also have a LG flat screen TV.
Oh wow, surprising you didn't say giant flat screen TV like you have in all the other room tours.
And then we have a DVD player, more drawers. To the left of the dresser, we have our little like dining table, area table, what have you. We have the brand new One Day at Disney book, which just recently came out. Inside, it's just a bunch of information on different cast members, their story, their journey. It's absolutely awesome. You get to know a lot of the cast members, Imagineering, that work at Disney.
I wonder if there's anybody that we know that are cast members.
We never know. We gotta get it to
Yeah.
find out. Our favorite little artwork slash lamp piece is this Mickey with the ukulele, and then it has like the wicker basket top. It's just really, really cute. Me and Chris were like going goo over it. And then we have two chairs, one on each side for us to sit. And then we'll show you the view. We've drawn back the curtains and the shears, and why don't I let you go check out the view for yourself.
Nice little small table with some chairs if you want to do some breakfast. The view itself is nothing to be too crazy about. It's mostly green, mostly trees, mostly grass, but we didn't come for the view.
No,
we came for everything else.
It's still beautiful.
Yeah, it's better than looking at a parking lot.
True. So let's go and take you guys back inside, and you can just see right off the bat here we have a bed with like this little like nightstand table, which I like because it's like a floating one, you know, there's nothing on the bottom.
I want to mention, this is incredible and I think all hotels should implement it. It has a charging port or a outlet right at the bottom, so you can have anything charging on here rather than it being on the floor.
These lights actually have 3 settings, so we'll go ahead and turn it off. That's no light. We have stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3.
It all looks the same on the camera.
It does?
Yeah.
Anywho, this room that we got has 2 beds. We didn't sleep in this one, so this is like kind of freshly made.
Somewhat.
We put some of our clothes and stuff on here, so it's a little wrinkly. But in the middle of the 2 beds, we have an alarm clock, a lamp, a phone to call for like concierge or whatnot. There's this little thing here. I don't know what that's for.
I think that's like tip for the like housekeeping.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then we have like a little welcome pamphlet and then a little welcome card here as well.
One thing I want to mention about this alarm clock, it does have 2 USB ports, which is really nice, especially for everybody who is charging electronics and cell phones.
You gotta pull this open. What do we got?
Oh, they have the Bible.
They have the Bible in here. I was looking for a Mickey pen, you know, like a pen and paper.
You know what I was looking for? A notepad.
That's right, pen and paper. That's what I meant, like a notepad and a pen.
There was no notepad here, so we can't do our note.
Oh wow, that's okay. And then lastly, we have the bed that we slept on. So this is the second bed in the room. This is why it looks a little...
It still looks pretty
disheveled.
nice.
It looks a little disheveled compared to how nice the housekeeping does those. But this is what it looks like. And then there's another side table, floating table, what have you.
With an outlet.
With the outlet and lights. And then we can also appreciate the artwork as well. It's really pretty. I like this.
And we have all our bags here. We didn't mention it, guys, but we did check in yesterday, and we were going to do the room tour yesterday, but we were just so busy because we had a lot to do and a lot we wanted to see. So that's why the bed's used. That's why none of the towels are in the right places over there in the bathroom. And of course, that's why our baggage is right here.
But that's okay, because at least you guys are getting a tour of the space and you're able to see what you get for the most part, even though we've kind of already stayed here for the night. We hope this video was helpful for anyone who's possibly thinking about booking a vacation to Aulani. Remember that this is a standard room, so if you like the layout, you like the room, and it's in your budget, you're more than welcome to go ahead and book the standard room that they have available. Without further ado, I think it's time for you guys to go and for me to enjoy the rest of my Aulani Hawaiian vacation.
But when you say me, you're including me, right?
No.
What do you mean no?
It's called a vacation.
Yeah, so wait, you need a vacation for me? Wait, baby.
So...
But what? Well guys, since Ashley kicked me out of the room, I just wanted to say hopefully this video was enjoyable, hopefully it was helpful, so whenever you guys are interested in coming to Aulani, you know what to expect when it comes to the standard hotel room. But guys, that is all the time we have for this video, so if you enjoyed, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, turn those notifications so whenever we upload a video or we go live, you get notified. If you haven't already, check out our Patreon, we always love the support on there. Huge thank you to our friends right over here for supporting us on Patreon, thank you guys so much. Finally, if you're not following us on social media, everything's under It's to Do It With 2 O's. From Aulani doing a hotel room tour. We'll catch you guys later. Bye. And then we have the deluxe studio villa. No. And then we have the studio.
So right here we have a towel rack with a lovely little towel foldage artwork. Sorry, I'm gonna again. We have a hand soap. So I want to say cube. It's not a cube. We have some more beautiful and then we have down here like a little coffee beverage. We can't forget the Disney touch. We have a towel Mickey within Hawaiian. And then just a little more information.
So lots of details.
At your disposable. Anywho, we have our bed. We didn't sleep in this one, but there.
I'm gonna put that in too.
We hope that this room tour was helpful for anyone who's possibly thinking about. We hope that this video was helpful of our room tour. We hope that this video was helpful to anyone who is possibly planning a trip to here. Okay. We hope this video was helpful to anyone who is thinking about booking a trip to here. I said it again. This is the standard room, so if you like the layout, you like how everything looks, you know that this is the standard room and you can book that. Without further ado, I think it's time for you to get out.
Wait, what do you mean I have to get out?
Well, I want to enjoy my Aulani vacation, sir.
But we're supposed to enjoy it together.
Nope.
This happened last time.
I was waiting for it. I was waiting for it.
Last time. Okay, back up.